Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to center the product title and price in Shopify debut theme. So, if you started learning Shopify theme customization and you wanted to create your own website without hiring any developer, or want to learn Shopify theme customization to make money as a freelancer from online, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I am using debut theme, and right now I am on the home page. So going to scroll down. There are featured collection and the product title and price right now align in the left. We wanted to make it center. Okay, to do this, first I'm going to click on the right button of my mouse, then select inspect. Now going to click on the inspect selector, this icon, then selecting the correct element, just select this one, product card, then simple code, text align, center. Wow, the title right now in the center. We also want to center the product price. Okay, to do this, going to select, here is the code for the product price, align item flag center. Okay, we have done. Now going to add this code in our theme. So to do this, I'm going to Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel and I'm going to click on the online store. Then click on the action button, edit code, search CSS file, then go to the bottom of this file to add our code. So first we are going to copy this code, copy rules, and align center, importance, then go to the title, product card, center, then finally click on the save button. So easy, it's saved. Now going to refresh my browser to check the update. Wow, we have done. So thank you for your time to watch this video. I hope you understand the easy process and you can do this without hiring any developer. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.